We're also moving some furniture. Number 4. Why is this so hard?
Rain and wind and weather.
Let's give you a proper look. Action!
Don't you dare move too fast.
Painted an epic painting, yeah? That's quite a lot to do. Okay, this is the first one. We'll take it out to client on Friday. Ready? Ta-da! Ooh.
There we go, in the warm glow of the heater.
Haha, beautiful. Right, time to get it out. Right, go for it.
Okay.
Hey, there we go, mate.
Right.
Lovely. That looks sensational. You just can't get it all in the viewfinder.
There is always that problem.
Let's just have a little look at that. Beautiful. Fabulous. Right, we'll get that on the stand. Right, here we go. Painting number 3 stretched for the day. Ta-da! How mighty does that look? I tell you, very.
Apart from a horrendous flicker. Thanks, 60 frames a second at 50 hertz.
Beautiful.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
Are you still rolling?
Still rolling.
Still under the
Rolling,
stack,
rolling,
that
rolling.
right.
Keep those wagons rolling.
It's the back of my head.
Oh, yeah. Right. Through rain and wind and weather, Ed takes the painting.
Please
Takes
tell,
it.
tell me you're still rolling.
Painting out to the rag. Hold them up. Hit them off. Stick them up. Put them on. Hang it up, that painting.
Right, come and have a look at this.
One hour later.
There we go, mate. Number 4 of the day. Let's have a little look at that. It's particularly magnificent, especially with the glow of the fire by it. Right, let's come around that side. Oh yes, especially where the light hits it. Magnificent. Right guys, how is that? Now we did this on last week's live stream, just pulling it out, so we're getting to see it first. And there we go. I couldn't be more happy with that. I absolutely love it. Let's give you a proper look. And I'll be quiet for once and just let you just take in the details. go guys, that was the painting we did on last week's live stream. Right, camera's cutting time for tonight's live stream. Just rolled out, as you can see, it's a gigantic roll, which is where it all comes from. And tonight's painting is going to have the size of 200 by 130 centimetres. So I've got to measure out now and to account for what stretches around the outsides of the frame. So I need to go 10 centimetres bigger all the way around. So that's what we're doing now. Right, so guys, what we're doing now, what you can see here, is a piece of software called OBS Studio. So Aidy's going to take you through the cameras. And the reason we're doing this is because we've got to get the canvas lined up and square on the overhead camera, well, and all the others, so we can make sure what it looks like on screen is as good as we can get it. So what do you reckon to that then, mate? So do I need to...
I can sit there,
okay,
pretty much in the centre.
That's not a bad guess, actually.
Check our balances.
So there we go, up in the control panel, look. I'm just having a... make sure all our controls are correct, and we've got 3
corner cam
of these,
so I'm going to bring that down,
1080p cameras. So you can see down now, so video can be controlling this. And this will be the corner cam, the one that I come in on. There we go. So if I just give this to Aidy for a second, I'll just run in and you can see what I mean. There we go. So which one are we on, dude? We're on 57, yeah?
corner cam.
Corner cam. Right, there you go. So what you'll see live, although you can't hear me.
Sorry, no, other corner.
Oh,
Other corner. Yeah, very orange looking you are.
PTZ, yeah.
So PTZ, yeah, just what we call it, isn't it? Other corner. So then we go to corner. So there's corner. There we go.
Yeah.
So PTZ. Now I need to set the settings because you look like you've been roasted.
Like I've been tango. Oh, sorry, like a lobster.
You do look a little lobsterish. So let's take the colour intensity down a little bit. Let's make you look a little bit sick, right? So you're looking a bit pasty and sick. That's it. Lovely. Pasty and sick. Hang on. You've almost gone into Charlie Chaplin. Oh, there he is. He's black and white. Oh dear. Right. So let's bring the colour back up again. Let's get him looking somewhere more like where he should be. So let's try it about there. There we go. Looking a little better now. Yes, not looking so poorly now.
Please go on. What about overhead?
Let's go to overhead. And there's the overhead. And quite strong again, so stay there a second. Let me just adjust. Just adjust? Just adjust. Okay, colour intensity, let's pull that down a little bit. Okay, that's a little better. Right, what are you doing? You've gone to sleep there?
Right, I'll tell you what, that's quite comfortable.
No, we can't zoom in.
No.
Wait for that to focus. Well, it may never focus, but... Okay. There we go. Cool, where did you get that Suarez hoodie?
I got it off Teespring.
Teespring?
Teespring!
Fantastic. Available at Teespring now.
And in the link in the description. Right guys, so the time is now 7:10. We're just going to get the final prep done for the live stream. So I've got to get into my paint clothes, got to get the mask on, battery on, microphone in, camera battery on, front mounted chest cam on, check all the systems, go through everything with AD. That's where we're heading now into the pod. Oh, hello. You're new here. I haven't seen you before. If you're enjoying this video, then please do click on the subscribe button and make sure you turn on your post notifications so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. Hey guys, it's Thursday here, Suarez HQ. Now normally on a Thursday, we do tend to have an office-based day, which is normally a work from home day. But we've got to start prepping for a client who we're going to go and visit tomorrow. So we're now in on the afternoon, and we've got 4 paintings to wrap up and a van to load. And interestingly, we're also moving some furniture, you know, as you do. So we'll crack on with that and we'll get some paintings loaded. Right then, that's the 4 wrapped ready for the client tomorrow. And it's now 5 o'clock, so we're going to finish up here, get back out on the road and start again tomorrow. Right, so how do I find out what that is recorded in? There must be a settings. Right, 4K. Swirly whirly round. Right, I'm definitely in 4K. And it stopped at 3 seconds. Ah, there we go.
Hey, it's Mr. Slo-mo.
Why is that not that?
Everybody, it's so wonderful.
Why is this so hard, mate? Well, look, you can see that's definitely that looks pretty good. So that is definitely recording at 4K, isn't it? Even on still, right? Let's have a look.
I think we need a new computer, mate.
Yeah, we do need a new computer. Even that's difficult these days. Right, so that is definitely that's definitely not 1080. That looks 4K to me. Right, guys, we were live streaming on Wednesday. Painted an epic painting. We haven't seen it yet. Do you want to come see it? Come on then. Oh, sorry, I didn't see you there.
Get it off.
Actually, I'm just going to put the extractor off, otherwise I won't be able to hear you.
Yeah.
Right, put the lights on.
Lights.
There we go, lights.
Camera.
Action. Okay, genuinely haven't seen this yet, so I'm super excited. So this was only last night that we were doing it, so just probably not even 24 hours yet. Let's go on. Are we ready? Hey up! Hey!
Whoa.
Oh wow, look at that! Oh, do you know what? Hasn't that changed? I mean, oh mate, seriously, look at the gold. Can you get that in the light somehow?
See if I can catch it.
Look at this, man. Whoa. That is crazy. Hopefully you can get that in the light. I've just got to stop and have a look at this for a minute.
It's black and orange here. Lovely.
Yeah, look, yeah. And this, where the blue's gone in, like, and almost made this kind of like weird purple colour. Gee, that's awesome.
Zoom in a bit more.
Yeah. That, I'll tell you, that is much better than I thought it would be. Look at all this, look at when it's all broke, like all these little lines just appeared.
Oh, the white went well. Look at that.
Yeah. Yeah, because at one stage, wasn't it, the white was quite dominant.
It was.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
the, hey, and those have gone cells. I didn't put any selling compound in it.
They sold up. Silver hasn't. Oh, a little bit there, maybe.
You've got a little bit. Silver's held quite well.
God, look at that one flash.
That's like lightning, mate.
Lightning.
Maybe we should put lightning in it. Blue lightning. There you go.
Yeah.
If anybody comes up with a title, please do suggest that. If you can think of a great name for that watching it, let us know. It'd be interesting to see what you think. But I've got to be honest, that is absolutely stunning. Right, it's getting dark here now. We're out of here. So yeah. Right then, so it's now Friday morning. We've just arrived at the clients. Don't know if you can actually see that behind me. So we're going to unstrap some paintings and go say hello. Okay, we've just made it back to headquarters. What's the time now? 4:10, and we've had a very successful day. We've put a commission piece into the client's house, and they're very, very happy. So now we've got the 3 out of the 4, which we brought back, which we're now going to get inside the studio and carry on from there.
Like I said, I can't move too quick, otherwise I'll get... Don't you dare move too fast. Oh, not too bad on the floor, buddy.
Right guys, so what I've got here, 10 terabyte hard drive, which has got quite a bit of video information on it, particularly from live streams, USB cable, power. So I'm taking this home this weekend, and tomorrow I'm going to start editing and stitching live stream videos together. So it never stops. Right then, buddy. That's it guys, end of another week here at Suarez HQ, apart from the fact that we're video editing tomorrow. But in terms of being here, in the building, and 2 more clients successfully creating Suarez originals, I think that's us done for the week. Catch you next time, guys.
Okay, got it?
Yeah. So I've escaped for half an hour. She never take me alive, she. God, this one's a stretch.